Information, accurate and up to the moment, a valuable commodity. From the earliest telegraph announcing details of the westward movement in America to the wireless innovations emerging every day, telecommunication systems are the fuel for a global economy. Advances in technology are transforming the way we work, the way we live. One factor remains constant throughout these changes. To be successful, these systems all need dependable electrical power. Without the ability to promise 100% reliability, progress means nothing. EnerSys, a world leader in energy storage, built on the quality legacy of Exide, Heritage, and Varta, continues to provide market-specific solutions. The PowerSafe brand has emerged as a product designed to meet the rigorous requirements of the telecommunications industry. As each new technology has emerged, EnerSys has developed the energy storing solutions to meet the specific needs of the telecommunications application. From central office applications to wireline and wireless, EnerSys flooded batteries are setting the industry standard in quality, reliability, and value. To meet these needs, EnerSys has put a system in place to optimize the quality and performance of every product in every situation, merging people and performance, powered by excellence. Exceptional design features are the starting point for creating a quality product. In the D, F, and G series product lines, the unique need for long periods of discharge and high output are addressed in the fundamental design. The quality designed and built into every EnerSys battery is performance checked at every stage of manufacturing. Long before EnerSys flooded battery materials can be ordered, all suppliers are qualified by EnerSys quality and purchasing departments. Suppliers must have successfully demonstrated that they can provide their product based on the tolerances outlined within the EnerSys engineering specifications. They must provide documentation with each shipment certifying that the material conforms to requirements. Close attention to all incoming and processed materials monitoring quality, purity, and tolerances is critical to the high performance and long service life expected from each EnerSys flooded battery. Before acid can be unloaded from an incoming tanker, a sample of its contents is analyzed and approved by the EnerSys on-site plant laboratory. Truckloads of lead are quarantined until the contents are analyzed and approved. Key items such as plastic containers and covers are also closely scrutinized by EnerSys quality personnel who carefully measure all critical dimensions. Then the testing process is brought to the production line for immediate feedback and process control. Beginning with the highest quality lead, the molten material is continually monitored to maintain the optimum balance of performance-enhancing additives. At this stage, the alloys are laboratory tested at the molecular level to ensure the proper crystalline structure. As the molten lead is cast into positive grids, samples are periodically measured for weight, thickness, and geometry. Additional samples are etched to confirm interior physical details to ensure long grid life. Every sample lot is logged into the comprehensive materials tracking system. This system allows traceability to materials used via individual cells' serial numbers. As the oxide paste is prepared, several quality checks are performed to ensure proper moisture content as well as chemical composition. The lead grid and paste are combined into a single monolithic unit or plate with quality checks made which include plate weight, thickness, and geometry are performed to ensure the paste material completely fills all the voids in the plate. The next critical stage is plate curing. To achieve maximum consistency and performance, the plates must be cured in a temperature and humidity-controlled environment for several days. This step must be constantly monitored for moisture content throughout the process to achieve the optimal design life. The skill of experienced craftspeople is most obvious during the assembly process. Critical placement of the combination of positive plate, separator, and negative plates is closely monitored by everyone. Careful attention is used in assembling the double lug hanging system, a design element unique to EnerSys batteries. Separate positive and negative terminals are inserted into custom welding fixtures. Then, all the plates and terminals are welded together by a certified technician to ensure consistent results. The technician marks his work for identification like any quality craftsperson. Once the plates are assembled into units, they are ready for final assembly into the clear PVC or polycarbonate containers. Once all of the internal elements are in place, the PVC lid is permanently sealed to the container by a certified technician with a specially formulated epoxy. A sample of each cell's epoxy is tested for curing before the cell is allowed to proceed to the next step. The unique patented slide lock post-seal assembly is placed on every cell cover with a double O-ring design for maximum protection against leaks. The entire system undergoes a leak detection test by putting the battery under positive air pressure with a computer-monitored system to detect any air loss due to leaks. Only after the battery passes every one of these tests, it is finally filled with electrolyte and taken to the formation area. In a temperature and flow controlled water bath, the battery receives its first charge. To achieve optimum conversion of the active materials, the cell's temperature is monitored and the water bath's flow rate is adjusted. A computer regulates the formation tank's water temperature. Over the next several days, thousands of batteries will be monitored around the clock. In high-profile applications such as telecommunications, uniform consistency from cell to cell is achieved through voltage matching. At the end of the formation process, batteries are float matched under extremely close tolerances and then color-coded so they can be used together in series when they arrive at their final destination. This process assures the quality, reliability, and integrity the telecommunications industry expects. Once batteries have passed all of their extensive testing processes, they go to the finishing department for final assembly, testing, cleaning, and packaging. During this process, final inspectors verify proper electrolyte levels, labeling, cell voltages, cell aesthetics, and perform a final pressure test. They give each battery a unique serial number which can be traced back to every quality check performed. This information is stored for the life of the battery. As if extensively checking each component process wasn't enough, EnerSys maintains a state-of-the-art testing facility to test completed batteries again. This test room completely emulates real-world conditions, including temperature and final assembly with lead-plated copper connectors, terminal plates, and cables. And with certified testing in accordance with Telcordia and the latest version of IEEE 450 and customer specifications, you can rest assured that your battery has been manufactured and will perform to the highest standards in the industry. On request, you can even have your own engineer witness any special testing of your batteries in this facility before final shipment. Every employee is completely dedicated to the goal to surpass customer expectations 100% of the time. Regular meetings at every level of the company detailing specific performance measures against a carefully designed continuous improvement plan. Every employee is empowered at any time to stop a production process if they feel quality standards aren't being met. This level of empowerment is entrusted to an experienced, dedicated production staff with an average of over 10 years' experience. This experienced workforce is critical in attaining the consistent level of quality that every EnerSys customer expects. Many of the positions in the production process are determined to be mission critical. These craftspeople are trained extensively under a rigorous education program. Once they reach a level of proficiency, a certification test is performed. Only after passing this certification test can the operators perform the task on their own. Design, people, process control, powered by excellence. All driving toward one singular goal: quality products, exceeding expectations every single time. For more information on how these quality energy solutions can help you achieve your goals, please visit us online at www.enersys.com. If you would like to see more, we can arrange a personal visit to our Hays, Kansas manufacturing facility. EnerSys, the industry leader in providing our world with powerful solutions.